Koobee Kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun!
Hi, everybody! I'm Koobee, and this is the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Channel. Hee! I am having so much fun being a dad that I wanted to share my awesome adventures with you. I'm making videos about awesome craft projects that you can do at home using simple tools and about the beautiful nature of the great outdoors. Roses from my garden and videos about healthy eating to give you big muscles. Yum, yum, yum! And videos about big machines that go and the mysterious treasure chest with a new fun surprise in every episode. I wonder what's inside. What could it be? Watch the next video to find out. Fun, fun, fun. Also, I want to share the practice of gratitude. Let's take a minute and give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
I'm so thankful that you found my channel and we can have fun learning adventures together. And I'm really thankful for my mom and my dad who love me so much and care for me every day. Well, that's all for this short intro video. Please click the red subscribe button and you get to see all my videos with a new one coming out every Saturday morning. Fun, fun, fun! See you later! Bye, bye, bye!
Koobee Kids, Koobee learning, Koobee fun, fun, fun!